Now foods, real food, organic, raw cacao nibs, 8 ounces, 227 grams. Product overview description. Celebrating 50 years of natural goodness, real food, always non-GMO, fresh, wholesome and tasty, intensely delicious bits of pure cacao beans, great as a topping, snack, or in baking. Rich, natural, dark chocolate flavor, USDA organic, kosher, non-GMO, project verified, always real, vegetarian, vegan product, certified organic by Kai. Pure chocolate may be nature's greatest gift. Not only is it undeniably delicious, it can also be super nutritious. To get the greatest benefits from chocolate, you need to enjoy it in its purest form, raw cacao. Now real food organic cacao nibs are tasty little cocoa bean crumbles with a strikingly rich, delicious, chocolatey flavor. These beauties have naturally occurring vitamins, minerals, fiber, flavonols, and polyphenols. They're perfect for snacking right out of the bag or as a national substitute for chocolate chips in your favorite recipes. Add them to smoothies, ice cream, shakes, trail mixes, and anywhere else you need a bold chocolate kick. Fresher ingredients simply taste better, which is why this product is packaged using Now Fresh Fill technology to maximize flavor and freshness. Because you are what you eat, Now Real Food has been committed to providing delicious, healthy, natural foods since 1968. We're independent, family-owned, and proud of it. Keep it natural. Keep it real. Other ingredients: organic cacao nibs. Packaged in a peanut-free facility that processes tree nuts. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.